Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands, and today is such a beautiful and warm day today, and I'm here to get my garlic. So come with me, my beautiful amazing people, to harvest my garlic. Let's go. These are the garlic right now. I was weeding through them because my garlic is a little bit late. As you can see, they really have fallen over. When you're growing garlic, you normally plant your garlic within the winter and autumn period, so they get that cold chill. Garlic themselves do come as two variety in terms of you've got hard neck or you've got soft neck. And me being in the UK, the one that grows really well in my zone, because everybody's zones are different, so check your zone if you are planting garlic, is hard neck. So soft neck grows better in other zone, but my zone 5B in the UK is really good with growing hard neck. And I did experiment on some soft neck. So within this plot here, literally there are some soft neck, because I just wanted to grow them and see, because you never know, everything has a possibility of anything. So these are the ones that I planted first. They're still doing well, but the ones that I planted later have completely dried down. The problem with it having it dried down is the stems, literally when you try to pull them up, it's going to be hard, because this is not a no dig bed. This is just direct planting into the soil, and obviously it's quite a dried time at the moment. So let me just grab this one out here if I can. If not, I will have to get my hand fork and try to get them out. I really think I'm going to have to get my hand fork. Let me just try this other one. This other one is taking a hard time to come out because the dirt is so thick, because London is surrounded by a lot of clay. And you guys all know when clay gets hard, you get really difficult time, or you have a really difficult time pulling them out. I think I'm gonna have to get my hand fork and try to get it out. 1 second, guys. So I've got my hand fork, so let me just try to dig it out there. What I'm gonna do, I'm trying to make sure I put it away from the plant, the garlic bulb, because I can see the bulb there. So I want to go as far as I possibly can and just dig around it a little bit to loosen it up a little bit, and pray this doesn't break off. Maybe I need to dig down a little bit more. I can see a little bit of movement there. This is the one reason, not just this, but a lot of other things why I want to get away from digging stuff. I'm transferring myself over to the no dig way of growing to avoid all this, and that is it. Look at this. This is a beautiful, absolutely amazing garlic. 1 clove, a full garlic bulb. That is beautiful. Look at that. And by breaking off a little bit here a minute ago, you can really smell the aroma. It's giving off such a strong and amazing aroma. It's just beautiful. So much great things. And the best thing, I didn't actually use any pesticides or anything growing with this. This is all grown in a very natural and amazing way, and it's the greatest way to grow things, using nature to your advantage. This side specifically compared to the other parts of the garden, because the other parts of the garden is on that side and I'm on this side, because a lot of these over on this side have fallen over more so than the other ones. I should have harvested these early, but when you're having such a lot of things happening in your garden and your life in general, there are times when you're not going to be able to get the things on time or harvest them precisely. Things happen, such is life. But I'm so happy that I'm actually be able to get some amazing herbs, vegetables. Doesn't matter what it is. Just, it's all about getting food. Whether it's late or early, you try to get as much as you can. And I am a little bit late to gather these, because then it becomes easier when I'm doing it now. There's grass everywhere. And the clay, as the warm times coming now, is hardening up. So I might lose a few of these garlic, not knowing the location where they are. But it's amazing still just to get anything. So I just pulled off a stem. I'm just digging in here and seeing if there's anything that I can find. I'm just going to look for the stems, and literally it's going to be a very time consuming plant, and especially with the sun really hot right now, it's going to even take a longer time than I need. I just gotta be careful I don't stab the garlic. Look at that. Because if it was a wet season, the roots of the garlic will start to rot, and you don't want to lose your crop. You know, you do not, because you've put a lot of effort in it, a lot of energy into growing this amazing garlic. You don't want to lose anything. I'm just trying to go through as well and clear some of the weeds, because in this garlic bed I literally going to be putting in some callaloo when they're up and ready to go. So far, it's really been a back-breaking work digging these out. So far we've got these lot here. So far we're about 50% of them done, and it's looking okay. It's looking good. I've got some beautiful, nice ones here. There are some weird ones. There's some ones that's growing like this. I have no idea. You guys can see that? It's growing really strange. Some strange shapes. I've never seen nothing like this in my life, but it's pretty cool. I still have quite a bit to go, and there them out. And I had to change my tactics. I literally had to go get the big daddy of fork, because my hand fork because it's so hard of clay. Literally my hand was hurting me every time I tried to dig it, and it was taking up a lot of time. So I got the big bad wolf out. So I'm going to show you how I do it quickly. So if I see a bulb, like there's a bulb right here, so I'll dig close to it, dig down, because it's quite a big fork. Let me just get a bit of leverage there on it, because it's such a hard soil. Dig down and just kind of like loosen up the dirt, not trying to break the bulb itself, and nicely and quickly. Let me see if it's gone a bit further down. Oh, there you are. And remove it. And that's it. That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to quickly do the other ones and show you what the full harvest is like for my new 2022 garlic harvest, because I didn't do any garlic last year, but this year I'm doing garlic and it's looking quite good. Even though this little petite one here is amazing because it's so strong, I can even smell it from here. It's beautiful. Just by putting it in the ground I can smell it. It's beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back. Now this is the final harvest. I've gathered everything. They did okay. I'm not sad about them at all. They actually grew something. So this is my harvest of garlic this year. There's some weird deformity, but they're still healthy as good. You know, they're just beautiful. They didn't actually get a big bulb. Some of them are small, but I realized some of them were rotten. And let me get one of them that I left in there to show you guys. Some of them were starting to, quite a lot of them were starting to rot at the roots, which I don't know the reason why. So I'm going to discard this. This is not going to go into my food or anything. Let's throw it away. And that is it, guys. That is it. My great harvest of the year. Even if it's not the biggest harvest, I lost quite a lot, but I still had food. And I'm learning that maybe I should grow them in a no-dig bed to save my back from digging up this hard clay. So next year, I'm thinking about planting them or putting them in a no-dig bed, which I have around me, and I'm going to be creating more no-dig beds. So save my back. This is really back-breaking work, especially when there's super dry clay. So thank you very much, guys. It's me, your boy, Mr. Green Hands. Look after yourself, look after the planet, and hit that like button if you do love what I'm doing. Share me out if you can, and come back for more. There's going to be another video dropping for you guys soon. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure, and I love everybody that dropped their comments. You guys are amazing. Thank you. It's your boy, Mr. Green Hands, and you know you can tell that I'm tired. This was some back-breaking digging or harvest. And look at it. The sun is shining on the righteous. I'm not sure if it is, but the sun is shining on me right now. And listen to that beautiful birds singing its tune at after 6 in the UK. God bless. Take it easy, guys.